Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to hide yourself from quick ad on Snapchat. Now, before we get into it, what is Snapchat actually? Snapchat is a popular multimedia instant messaging app and service developed by Snapchat. It is known for its unique features that allow users to share photos and videos that disappear after a short period of time. Now, Snapchat nature and creative tools have made it a popular choice, especially for younger generations. It's a platform for sharing moments, expressing creativity, and staying connected with friends. So now, what is the quick add option? The quick add option is a feature on Snapchat that suggests people you may know, making it easier to connect with friends, acquaintances, or potential new friends. It typically suggests people based on mutual friends, phone contacts, and other factors. Now, there are the pros and the cons for this particular feature. So, one of the advantages or pros of this particular feature is that it makes it easier to connect by simplifying the process of adding new friends, especially those you might already know. It also helps you to discover new people by introducing you to people you may not have otherwise connected with. It also encourages social interaction by expanding your social circle. But it has its disadvantages. Now, what are the disadvantages? This is also the reason why you might want to hide yourself from quick ad. Now, one disadvantage is this: privacy concerns. Now, some of us, the users, may feel comfortable with the suggestions, especially if we prefer to keep our social circle private. Also, it can lead to us receiving friend requests from people we do not know or want to connect with. Also, which is the final disadvantage, is that it's not very common, but it's very possible to receive friend requests from spam accounts or bots, so there's a potential for spam. Ultimately, the effectiveness of quick ad depends on individual preferences and usage. While it can be a convenient tool for social networking, it's also important to be mindful of privacy settings and exercise caution when accepting friend requests from unknown users. So now let's just dive into how we can hide ourselves from quick ad on Snapchat. So after opening your Snapchat and tapping on the message icon at the bottom here, the next thing we're going to do is going to tap on your Bitmoji icon up here, right top left corner. Then tap on the gear icon to open up your settings, and then scroll down all the way down until you see me in quick ad. Tap on it and then turn it off. Now once you've done this, you will no longer appear in another person's in any Snapchatter's quick ad, whether you share mutual friends or any other connection. So you've effectively hidden yourself from a quick ad.